Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to learn we are going to see our project on Scratch Week and also create a new project on Scratch Week, day 4. We have a lot to do, so let's begin. So here we are on our Scratch homepage, and I saw all the messages. There are a few messages on our project. So as you can see, this is the curator that added our project in the opposite Scratch Week 2023 studio. And let's see. So somebody said that they disagree that dog is the opposite of cat. Cat doesn't have an opposite except for not cat. So we can try it. So as you can see, we have replied to the question or the comment, and this is our project. So now let's go back to our homepage and figure out what's the theme of day 4. Today we are starting a digital pet cafe. Okay, let's see what we can make. So I think I know what we are going to make. So first we are going to make the project and the backgrounds. First let's make the backgrounds now and the costumes. I have an idea. How about we make a polka dotted background? Whose color I'm going to set lighter than this one, maybe darker. Right, this is right. And now we will draw the circles in white color. The outline, we don't need an outline, so we'll keep it to 0. And let's make our circles. So these are all we need, the costumes. Now let's see what we can do in the coding section. So first we have to program the pet change button. How can we program it? We'll need blocks from the events category. When clicked, this block will come in handy. When this sprite clicked, this will also come in handy. And when backdrop switches to backdrop 1, this will also come in handy. And broadcast message 1, it will also come in handy. Now next we'll need blocks from the looks category called switch switch backdrop, and then we also need another one. So when I think about it, so here we are with the looks category. Yes, backdrop 2, and then when this sprite clicked, it will be backdrop 1, and then another of these, and when this sprite clicked, broadcast message 1 can be here. When backdrop changes to backdrop 1, and when backdrop changes to backdrop, one of these will be backdrop 2. So when backdrop switches to backdrop 1, we'll have to hide this button. And when it switches back to backdrop 2, we will show it. And also we'll need one of the blocks from the controls category. Now that's it. Also, not 1 second, but instead we'll switch it to 3 seconds. No, 5 seconds. That would be nice. And now we are going to do this. the costumes. Switch costume to next costume. We'll need these, and we'll need one from the motion blocks. Glide sorry, glide 1 seconds to 0, 0. And now we will need blocks from the events category. It is very fun, and we'll need when I receive message 1. We are using the default message because we are also going to have many other messages. Switch costume to fish ray will be attached over here with costume 1. And then when I receive message 1, next costume. Also, when backdrop switches to backdrop 1, we are also going to have the show and hide blocks again in this project. Backdrop 2 and the hide block will be used when backdrop switches to backdrop 1. Right. And now we are going to program the broom. So basically the broom will just show and hide itself, and the broom will clean the surroundings, so it shall have a lot of random position ones. Or maybe I could use the control blocks to repeat this when the broom is clicked. Now let's get our show and hide blocks. This is hard. Here goes the show one, here goes the hide one. So we'll change this. And now we are done. We have to program the balloon. So what are we going to program in the balloon? We are going to use cloning to we are going we are going to use cloning, and we are going to first of all enable dragging, and then we are going to use the when the sprite clicked. No need to show and hide, but just in case it didn't look good enough. So we will drag out all the blocks, and we will also get the backdrop switches to backdrop 2. Right. Now that's all the programming we need to do, I think. So let's test run it. Recently we discovered a new button we needed to add. So let's add this. We click here. This is a new feature. You can duplicate it directly. And then we will change the text to change balloon. So it will just help us change the color of the balloon to make it more attractive, as we have planned a little contest. Only a little one. And we will broadcast this time a new message called balloon. Uh-oh, balloon. Yes, this is the right one, and we can place it just right here. And add a new events block called when I receive balloon, next costume. So this is all we need to add to our project. And now let's view this. 1, 2, 3, and done. Now we will click the broom to clean the surroundings. And now we will drag our balloon here and then change the balloon and then click it here and click it here and then change the balloon and then change the balloon again and then change it right here and make a clone and done. So this is how to make it, and we will change our peg like this. We will place the dino right here. So you can customize lots of things as you would want to, and also we will set the more draggable in this also. And as we know that the broom shouldn't look like in a party, we don't show the broom, we show the balloons and everything. So we will use the height block again. So this is all we need to do to make a project look good. And now let's name it. What would be the name? Virtual Pet Styler can be a great name. Instructions, as you can see, instructions in the project. Done. And now this is all. We don't need to add any background effects for this project is good enough. Yeah, and now for the big moment, let's share it. Your project is now shared. Oh good, it looks good. Now let's play it again. This is the spirit of making a project. You have to test it again and again after sharing, before sharing, anything. You have to test it. And I will change the balloon like this. We'll change the balloon again. And the broom does work, does it? Broom cleans the background. It doesn't actually clean it. And then the broom is gone. And then the pet change. Our pet would be a unicorn. No, the pet would look nice over here. Yeah, that would be good. And then we can change the balloon and add it right here and then drag it here and then drag it here and then drag it over here. Right. And now we can remix this project and let the creator know that we have created an entry for the contest. Now done. So we will now just copy the link and then mm, we will go to the studio. So I have added a comment and it's likely they will see this because the curator list is already big. You can see this, it's big, isn't it? So any curator shall see it and then they will add my project to the studio. Let's see. There are few other projects. Let's see if we can view them. Let's view a few projects while we wait till our project has been added. Here we go. It's loading. I see 5 hours later. Okay, thank you. I did not understand really. Let's see some other project, some other animation. But it was good. Anyway, hmm. Yes. Hmm. Hmm. This is animation. Okay, but the high score. I read the high score. I did not. Wait. Let's see if it saves that. Okay. Somebody just collected 135 dishes. So this is how you can see the cloud data history. And so that is all. So everyone, that is all for now. See you soon in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Bye bye.